Wage garnishment, taking 25% of your paycheck. Let me tell you a story about a client that got that garnishment to stop immediately after hiring Van Horn Law Group. We had a client that was coming in after months of having 25% taking from their paycheck every month from an old repossession that they had, a judgment that was 10 to 15 years old that just collected so much interest, it became tens of thousands of dollars. They were falling behind on their rent, and basically 1 out of the 5 days that they were working, they weren't getting paid for because that 25% comes right off the top. Once they came in, we looked at their options. We were able to reduce what they were paying from that 25% by filing what's called a Chapter 13 reorganization, where we put a budget together of what they can afford to pay, which was much, much less. It ended up being about 5% of their paycheck. And they were able to catch up on their rent and make all their payments moving forward while reducing their stress significantly. Most people will tell you once the garnishment's in place, there are no options. There are actually plenty of options, including claiming exemptions or filing bankruptcy or negotiating with the creditor. So if you are going through a wage garnishment currently, or if you've been threatened with a wage garnishment, or even if there's a judgment out there and a garnishment may come your way, make sure that you call us immediately so that we can either stop that garnishment from happening or stop it from continuing by figuring out one of these options. So call Van Horn Law Group today, speak with me. We're here to help figure out all of your debt options and get rid of that garnishment.